Hey, what's happening, Facebook? Dante Bueno, OnlyWoodFloors. We're here in Montebello. Just quick video update. We got a couple things going on here. Let me turn this thing around and show you guys what we got. All right. I know there was no video done in the morning, so I want to do a quick update, just kind of show you guys what we got going. Let me take off my shoes real quick. Okay, so it's the floor. It's already been water popped. See that dark spot right there? It's a pet stain that didn't come out. So it's a lot darker on camera, but uh, with the stain and everything, that's going to blend in pretty good. It's another one right there. Same thing. Customers had an option to either change out the boards or live with it, and they just chose to live with it. They figured